In this video, I am going to show you how to delete one photo from multiple photos on one Instagram post that you have posted before. So I'm on my Instagram and let's say I want to edit this post. It has 3 different pictures and let's say I want to remove one of them. What I do is I tap on the 3 dots on the top right corner and then I choose edit. Now here, this gives me a couple of options. For example, I can tag different people or I can edit the caption. And when any of these photos, as you can see, there is a little trash icon down here. And if I tap on that, let's say I want to remove this photo, I tap on the little trash icon and tap delete, and it says after you finish editing you'll be able to restore this media from your activity in the profile menu within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So this is something you should pay attention to. If you delete it and you don't want to restore it, that's fine. But if you want to restore it, you should do it before 30 days. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore it back anymore. Now I tap on delete and then done. And as you can see, this post is changed and now it only has 2 photos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips like this.